Alright guys, stream 3 day 2. Check if this going. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, so I'm trading with my friends on the phone. And yeah, so first, Bogdan David, first what do you guys need to do when you open the charts? Huh?
Unless like I told you. Wait. The pre-market highs and lows.
Yes sir, but session highs and lows. Okay, perfect. Yo David. Do you know what session highs and lows? Do you know how to put like lines at session highs and lows? Okay. So we could possibly trade actually. I think we hopped on the charts, perfect timing. Well, this is just for now I think because we're looking at a sweep, but there's still 8 minutes to this candle, but if it closes literally like right now, I'm on ES, guys. I'm on ES. If it closes right now like this, dude, guys, this is sick. By the way, guys, recap of the trade I did yesterday. It was on NASDAQ. Dude, I went to sleep. I was gonna exit the trade out. Bro, I just went to sleep because I was so tired. Didn't exit the trade. Look at this. I was like right here, which is like 1,300-400. And then, like, bro, I went to sleep right here. And I exited right here. Whatever, it's fine, guys. I moved my stop to 500, so I got stopped out at 500. Negative 500. Okay. Alright guys, all you guys need to do right now is just mark out session highs and lows. Okay. Hold up. Whoa. We actually might have already a sweep right here. Hold up. No way. If we did, we already had a break of structure right here. Don't really like the candles right now, but that's an NQ. Yo. Let's see. I'm gonna just pause. Literally sweeping so good right now. Hold up. I need to figure this out. I don't like that. I don't like that it went on the wick. Okay. I wouldn't be surprised if this breaks, but I would. Well, we were in a downtrend right here, and we no in an uptrend, but it would be better. We sweep right here. We might have missed this trade right here actually, but it's fine. It's not like I'm gonna wake up early. Okay, well, if this is a sweep, this is break structure. What I think is gonna end up happening is literally the same thing as last time. Like yesterday, I took a trade. It was a sweep on a 1 hour, and then it came down a bit and then rotated. Right, basically what happened is sweep again, which it rotated. Right, it's gonna come up, sweep this high, cause this high liquidity, like look, there's no other basically liquidity. Oh, it's gonna sweep and then just reverse. So I just want to see what market does here, cause it's pretty interesting. Hey, dude, show me a video. Show me the time exchange. Okay. Wait, right there, yeah. So, do you have... Okay, press this, look. Press this. A, like, ALT on your computer, like keys, computer keys. ALT, Shift, E. And then go and let me see what pops up. Okay, now, type ETH. It's kind of blurry, but, yeah, just ETH. Just ETH, not the beginning. Mm, Never mind. Because look, on your... Let me show, hold up. Let me show... Yes! Another item sold. Let's go. eBay's working, bro. Perfect. Alright, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir, ski. Okay, look at my screen, okay? You see, right. So there's some numbers right here, and then UTC, which is time zone, and then to the right of that, there's ETH, electronic trading hours. That's like, I'm pretty sure. That's what's messing you up. Like, okay. So right next to UTC 7, but ETH. There's supposed to be ETH. And then after that, it's going to be BADJ. Okay? Alright. And tell me if anything works or happens. Alright, guys. So basically, what happened is we have a. I don't know if I could say sweep. I mean, it's a sweep. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, it's a 1 hour sweep. Actually, no, it's not finished yet. It's okay. I don't think it's gonna be a sweep. You know why? Because we already have this like looking sweep right here, and basically, but we could also have like the same thing as yesterday, which we came down a bit and got up a bit. Because like a sweep can't doesn't mean it's gonna be like too much, you know. So basically, got up, but we'll see, we'll see. But if this was a sweep, no, this is a sweep. Actually, let me see because let me confirm it's if it's a sweep. And if I'm doing anything wrong, if there's people watching, just correct me. So we did hit 79% extension, fib extension. Okay. Let me get my notebook out. This time, guys, I wanna like look at my entry because I wanna study the entries of my trades and like I wanna see because like every single time I enter, it's not the best. All right. Alright guys, what's up with your charts? Send me a yeah, show me on FaceTime. Let me see your charts. And Bob and what's the name? David, did you do your stuff? Well, on the bottom where it says UTC 7, like the time zone, yeah, right there. Next to it, there's nothing else. No, it's just try it to see. Let's see. Because I have ETH right next to it, which means electronic trading hours. Okay, it's weird. Maybe go to settings. It's on the right next to UTC. If anything, just ask like TikTok or something because I don't know. That never happened to me. Okay, try to figure it out. All right, Bogdan, let me see your charts. The high, okay, that high, and then you got those low. Okay, that's really good, but we have another session, which is those lows right above the green low that you put, because that's already a different session. Okay. I don't know why it doesn't show for you, but for me it shows. Look, if you go on my live, it'll be way easier. So look, right here, you put it right here, which is perfect, but your simple session indicator doesn't show you right here. So I don't know, but right here, there's you have to put a line right here, but everything else you did is perfect. And then after you put a line there, huh? And then after that, if you look at my live, just mark out like just recent lows or something, just like good lows under, like under the next, like you see, low, low, low. That I don't even need that one. I could do whatever. So just if we have like a sweep right here, we probably are, because we have a good downside right here, and then on the 1 hour we're probably gonna have a sweep. You see, but I would rather, okay, after you do that, after you guys, David, just tell me what's up with your time zone after you do it, or after you can do it. I don't know. But anyways, guys, after that, guys, after that, guys, we're gonna go in 5 minutes and find some confirmations for. I want to see for this sweep right now. Cause look, this now here. Do we have a like little break of structure right here if we have one? So we do have that. The sweep happened in I'm pretty sure it's New York. Alright, first I'm gonna look for this sweep. This sweep might have ended, but who knows? I'm just gonna still look. Dude, I hate that market's so weird. Just figure out the gap right here. Touched it, but I think it's still gonna come down and touch it again. Or wait, hold up. If this is a wait. Okay, first I need the 1 hour time frame to close on this candle. Beautiful. I need it to close in 19 minutes. If that does close, that would be so much better. If this is a sweep, then rather this, because this, even if this is a sweep, I think it already ended. And then another one's forming. It's beautiful. Yo guys, today might be actually a really good day. Dude, I need just this to close like this. Got a 1 hour time frame for podcast. And then right after the sweep, like for example, as you can see, we got a invalid fair value gap that could happen. If the sweep happens, that's invalid fair value gap. That's already confirmation that it's a sweep and it's going to the bearish. Possibly higher region. We're kind of coming off. What looks better, Nasdaq or ES? I should be honest. I think we have some. We have S&Ts right here, but I don't think it will matter for our trade if like over there. But let's see. No, we don't. There's nothing here. We do have S&T. Okay. Alright guys, what's up there? 30-minute time from SMT. Wait, David, let me see what charts are you on? Hmm. Okay. So guys, um, we got SMT right here, but that doesn't matter for this. Okay. I'm just looking at this. Yes, it was a sweep, but hopefully it already ended, and I want to see a sweep right here. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. Go up top. Oh, you're on the wrong one. You're on the wrong market. Hold up. Okay, so go to top left. Okay. Yeah, and then up a bit up where it says search. Yeah, press on it. Now press capital E, capital S, and then 1, and then exclamation mark. Okay, now let me go to the left. Futures, press futures. Yeah, the second one. Yeah. Now market, is it open? Market's open. Okay, now look. Go to the thing that I showed you, ES1. Like, go to your charts, like watch list. I mean, and no, it's on the right side. On the right side, yeah. And go to ES1 and highlight it with like like a red or whatever you want. So you like know where it is. The one that I showed you, yes, one. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you. Here, look at my screen. Look, see, I like highlighted in red. There's like supposed to be a thing next to them. And also, okay, after you do that, highlight it, you go to the search button again and type in capital N. Oh, perfect. Is that NQ1? Exclamation. Go to the second one. Yeah, press on it. Okay, now let me see the name of it. Okay, no, delete that one. There's two different types. Okay, now go to data and NQ1 exclamation. One futures. Let me see. The first one. Now, does it look similar to ES? Okay, so look, this is why we trade two markets. Well, usually, like, not only two, but some people do more. But anyways, these two are really relatable, okay? And you find some confirmations from if you look from one chart to a different chart, okay? So for market, I mean, so for example, see it's open. The market is open, yeah. Are you on ES1? Always remember to go on ES1 exclamation. Alright guys, let's see if you guys can see me good. Yep, okay. So look, we got maybe 30-minute SMT. Let's see. I don't think so. Nope, we don't. Um, yo,
5 minutes.
what 5 minutes?
I'm gonna get off. Not 5 minutes, but like 3 minutes.
Market closes? What do you mean in 5 minutes? What?
I'm gonna hop off right now. Off call and just call through my laptop.
Okay, okay. Okay. Let's see what's up with. Yeah, beautiful. I think that already went into our 5 minute. Well, ES doesn't have it. No, Nasdaq has it. Okay, let me see ES. ES does not have it. We might trade Nasdaq today. Nasdaq, I mean ES looks good. ES looks better, but we need to see which one has more confirmations. For example, look, NQ already has confirmations. Oh, beautiful! That's already breaking. We need a good break right here. Now we need to check. This ends in 9 minutes. This candle. If that candle forms like that, then if that candle forms like that, that will be a good sweep sign. But then we need confirmations of that sweep. Alright, guys. Guys, see any SMTs? Huh? Guys, do you have a notebook next to you? Try to get a notebook next to you if you can right now. Just looking for SMTs right now. That does not matter if we have an SMT there because wait, do we? Guys, would you call this a SMT? To the 2 viewers that's watching now, it's 1. Would you call this a SMT? I don't know if this could be SMT, but let's look for another one. That's it. No, there's no other one. What's the closest thing we have to SMT? Yo, Bogdan and David. Do you have a notebook next to you? Okay, do you have a pen? Huh? Type yes in the chat if you have a pen and a notebook. Can you guys get one? How about you, David? Can you get one? Okay, perfect. When you guys have it, just tell me you have it. I want this 1 hour time frame candle to close so we can have that sweet. It's in 5 minutes it closes. We got 1 hour, 1 hour involved for plug gap, or that's what we need. Just gonna make this short because you can see that for plug gap. Invalid for plug gap, hopefully. I'm thinking this will be a breaker structure right here. Oh, okay. Okay. I wanna, yeah, I wanna go bearish for the day. Do you guys already have your notebook and pen? All right. Okay. First, I wanted you to write. This is what we do. Okay. This is what we do. Okay. I want you to write. Um. First, when we get on charts, look for your session highs and lows. Second, um, look for liquidity sweep. Third, we look for confirmation. Okay. Oh, and also confirmations are INPG, BOS, MSS. No, that's not confirmation to liquidity. IVG, BOS, SMT, 79% Fibonacci, 4%, oh yeah, Fib, EXT. That's for right now. And then what we need to look for is 1 minute attenuation, I think. Let me check my thing. I mean, continuation. With a fair value gap. And lastly is 1 minute fair value gap or um dang, price just broke that. That is not what we wanted to see. That is wild. Wait, we have news. I forgot. Do we have? Yes, bro. It's oh, this news hit so much right now. Dang. Okay. It's actually hard. What do you need it? All right, guys. Dang. Yo, SMTs are hating. We're for sure not getting no sweep here. Yeah, bro. SMT. I mean, not SMT. What am I saying? News is hitting. Yo, guys. We might go for longs, but dang, news is hitting like crazy. So if we close this right here, well, we did close. Close that. Yo, news is crazy. S&P news. Oh my gosh. Forgot to look at that before I hopped on the charts. So you guys look at your news all the time. That would be better if we looked right there, bro. News is ripping. Still pushing. Bogdan and David. You guys, go on my live and look at the box I did with the and copy those words, and I'll explain if you guys have any questions about those words. Then after you copy that, this is like what I do to look for a trade, okay? What I do to look for a trade. Dang, guys, this is crazy. If it still rips, I don't even know, because look, I mean, we do got a break of structure right here. Guys, I don't know, but I might have to take a long today. 1 hour, like the buy side liquidity just got swept. Okay, I'm just gonna probably look for probably just gonna look for what's it called, a 1 minute, or first I want to see this. If this close, then we're gonna have a 5 minute fair value gap. I want to go off probably off that, and then inside the 5 minute fair value gap, go in the 1 minute and try to find something. If you guys follow what I'm saying here, guys, do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Alright. The only thing I don't like is that we don't have any lines here, to be honest. We're like so up here. So I don't like that we have no place to put our take profits. Just gotta see. Look at breaker structures. Look at. Not, we can't look at market. Well, I mean, if price reverses, we're gonna see a market structure shift. So see that, and I'll probably exit out the trade if we see that. If we take a trade right now. If this closes, then we got a fair value gap. In this fair value gap, I'm gonna look for a 1 minute invalid, no, not invalid, 1 minute fair value gap, then a break of structure. So that's what I'm basically saying. This okay, so this, if this stays, it makes a fair value gap, it comes down, and in this fair value gap, I'm gonna go into 1 minute and just look in here, find out another fair value gap, and then once price breaks on the 1 minute, I'm gonna probably enter, or I think that's why my trade entry is bad. Wait, hold up. If you think about it, but I think that's why trade entry is bad. I want to put my stops here. This risk to reward will be high. Okay, I want to figure something out. Hopefully this closes because I'm already putting it. I'm relying on this. What's up, guys? David, everything chill? Do you get what I'm saying here? Okay. Good, it's good. Did you copy everything I wrote down? Yeah. Okay. Now, you know what's, do you know what's bearish, bullish? Yeah. Okay. 17 seconds. Alright, guys. So we're probably gonna we got the 5 minute fair value gap. Let's go into 1 minute and see what's in here. We do got a fair value gap. Let's go. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna enter this trade in this 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. Just gonna put it right here. and once my stops, I'm gonna explain why I did it. I just don't like that we don't have anything up here, so we can't really know where to put our take profit, but I don't know, like, so basically, okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna buy it here. Okay, so this is what happened. This is why I entered a trade, or why I put a trade. I didn't enter yet. Let's see how much people got. 3 people, perfect. Alright, so this is why I put a trade, okay? So I was like first I was looking for a sweep, okay? And we didn't really get well, we kind of did right here. I don't know if you can see that because I put a box, but we did get a sweep, and the wake is right here. But that got invalidated by the news. The news at 6 a.m. S&P/CS composite. Okay, that was crazy push up, and I forgot to look this morning. I checked yesterday, but I forgot to look this morning. Okay, now we had a sweep here. Okay, I missed that, but anyways, I went to 30 minute. I think it was 31 or 5 minute. I went to 5 minute, and I was waiting for this body to close, and this body to close, so we could make a wake and a wake, which obviously that made a 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, since that, and because wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I was saying about the liquidity sweep. My bad. Okay, so we had a liquidity sweep, and I was looking for this liquidity sweep, which was looking good, but then like got invalidated by this big news. So basically, that sweep did not work. Okay, let me just write it right here. Did not work. Okay. Okay, now we got this big break of, like, big candle with a break of structure right here. Now, what do I want? I want to see a 1 minute fair value gap in the 5 minute fair value gap, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I did find it. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. And I want price action to go into here, take my trade, and then come up and break a structure right here. And then after that, I'm just gonna watch the market really carefully because we don't have anything here. Nothing. So I'm just gonna watch the market and limit my stop loss so I don't, because there's literally no, like, for example, what I mean, there's no candles in it or anything. For example, here, if we did have a sweep, in my opinion, that would be better because look at this. We got this low, this low, this low, this low, this low. That's already like a big plus. But there we don't have anything, but it's fine if everything goes good. I don't care if it takes my trade over here and if it breaks the structure. I'm just gonna limit my stop loss. So yeah, that's the explanation for my trade. Alright. Bogdan, why are you always leaving chat? Guys, I want to hear your thoughts. Let me see your chart. Send a picture to, like, in the group chat of your chart on, let's say, uh, just send it on 5 minute time frame. Huh? I put a trade, but I didn't enter. It has to take it to enter. Everyone's, guys, David and Bob, send a photo of your guys' chat in 5 minutes of not chat, of market, what you guys did. Maybe even send a video if it's not all in the photo. Bogdan, what do you mean? Bogdan, what are you doing? You wake up for no reason or something? Bro. Dang, it's already 6:30. David, let me see your stuff. Yeah, that's 36:30. Oh, and also I just realized that since we broke here, we broke this, which was the recent high of like forever, or probably the most high anyways. Since we broke here, we can't get a sweep unless it makes one over here, okay? So what I'm saying is gonna continue for a bit, and we have to check, okay? David, it's pretty nice you got your value gap. You were looking for that sweep. It didn't get validated, just like mine too. Okay, so why, David, why'd you put, explain what's the reason for putting your buy order up, like, at the wicks of the breakup structure, basically? Oh, okay. Alright, guys, so we haven't moved down, but still didn't even touch the 5 minute fair value gap. I want to see it touch it. Like, even here, because I'm not trying to limit my switching to here. Probably. Yo, what the heck? Why is it not loading? Here, even do it. I need to see it come down. Oh, it was sleep here. Guys, yo guys, um, tomorrow is Wednesday and there's gonna be a lot of news too. Today was like, alright, pretty good, but tomorrow's gonna be like so much news, and Thursday too. Then I think Friday, um, Trump is talking with Chinese president, and whenever Trump is trying to get the Chinese president to get supplies, and he says yes, stock is gonna go up. But whenever he declares some tariffs or whatever, stocks go down. So basically, whenever Trump does something good for like what we think is good, but then it's gonna go up. So basically, we'll see what Chinese president says, but we have to look at that. Huh?
What day?
I have to still double check. I think it's need to double check. Just let me check. October 30th, Thursday. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the exact time, because the exact time is gonna be. Ooh, my trade took. My trade took. Alright, perfect. I'm up 400 right now. When did my trade take? President says, but we have to look at that. Huh?
What day?
I have to still double check. I think it's need to double check. Just let me check. Sir, guys. Just well, the market is delayed, guys. So it took, but I can't see that it took. But so what I'm thinking is it took with a wick, which is perfect. Market is delayed, so we can't really see that for now. By 10 minutes. Alright, perfect, guys. We got a trade today. Let's go. By the way, I'm just putting take profit just to see my risk to reward. Because I don't want a bad risk to reward, you know? 2.8 is good. Pretty good. Really good, actually. So I'm gonna just figure my stops setup. Yo, Bogda David. We need a, like, for tomorrow, we're going to, I'm gonna just, like, explain to you guys about all the confirmations, confluences, the, the confluences and everything like that, okay? Guys. Alright, bye, Bogdan. Yo, David. Are you entering a trade? Okay. Is it not letting you because you have a new account? Wait, your market is... Hold up. What time zone are you in? What time zone are you in? Your market looks way better. I didn't even see that it went up to that 1 minute fair value gap. Doesn't even show me. Like mine? Alright guys, chat. So, right here, my friend says that it came down here, so, like, with beautiful came, like, it didn't even, like, it took beautifully. But, I don't know why it doesn't. Okay. Did it take the 1 minute fair value gap? Okay, that's good. That's weird. I need to figure that out. I don't usually take trades like against the liquidity sweeps, but this one did not work, so this is back testing anyway, so I'm gonna see what happens. I just need a candle to break this break of structure, so let's see. Yo, let me see your charts. I want to see it again, like what happened. Dang, what? Oh, are you in NASDAQ? You're in NASDAQ. Yeah? Oh, I understand them. I understand them. I was like, bro, what? Nasdaq do be looking good though. Dang, Nasdaq looking good, bro. You should enter a trade in Nasdaq. Yo, I'm lucky down for not looking. Nasdaq looking really good. It already broke structure, and that's crazy. I'm looking down for not looking. I need this candle to break. Oh my, no way. Did I just get stopped? What? Yo, actually, what happened? Yo, I just got stopped, bro. I can't. Bro, this 10-minute delay is actually pissing me off. I can't see Jack. There's no way market actually moved that much. Bro, I can't. Bro, I'm looking. Yo, I'm actually pissed. Yo, stream. Look, I put my order right here. Stop loss right here. And it just executed my stop loss. Oh my, how, bro? It didn't even go there. Yo, bro, this is not understandable. How, bro? What? It didn't even take. It wasn't even close to there. What? Bro, David, are you seeing this? How? Dude, there's no way it closed. There's no way it closed. I'm literally looking at the market. It's not even close to closing. Like, bro, I'm looking at the market, and it doesn't even say I went to negatives, bro. And then here it says it fully went down. Yo, I'm actually pissed. Like, bro, I am not wrong, bro. Well, how did it take that, bro? The market's literally showing differently. Yo, it's actually pissing me off. Actually pisses me off, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's going down. Bro, you know what? I'm buying the plane. I don't give a crap. This is actually pissing me off. Bro, just because of this plan thing, I just lost. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yo, David, did you enter anything? Dude, I'm actually so pissed right now. I just want to enter again, but I feel like we're still gonna go bullish. Let me see. Yo, yours looks so good. Yo, I should have traded NASDAQ. Alright, trade, bro, trade. It's not gonna go, I don't think it's gonna go anymore. Because it already validated the fair value gap, but I don't know, since ES already went that low, then NASDAQ might go a bit lower. Yo, I might just take a trade again. Bro, bro, I'm actually pissed. All my days, bro. Bro. Okay, now after 10 minutes, it's showing me that I got stopped out. Yeah, bro, I'm buying this plan, bro. It's actually pissing me off. You know how much times this happened, bro? How much I probably trade on NASDAQ? Let me see what's up. I'm probably gonna enter. I just don't know if NASDAQ is gonna do the same thing as ES. If it is, I don't know, dude. Yo, it's actually diabolical, bro. I'm so actually so pissed. Bro, I'm buying the plane. Alright, I'm just gonna enter a trade on NASDAQ. I feel like it's still gonna go bearish. I caught that big down candle, bro. Big bearish candle on ES, bro, and I'm actually pissed about it. I'm gonna enter. right here. For it to break a structure. Stop loss right here. Right here. No, that's too much. I can't lose that much money. Yo.
I'm up 100.
Yes, sir. Dang, you're crazy.
700.
You're crazy, bro. Let me see. Wait, let me see. Wait. Wait. It took.
I don't know.
When did it take?
I don't know.
See, bro, that's the dumb thing.
It's so random.
It's so delayed, yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, chat, I am not revenge trading. I know this trade is gonna work, but like, I just gotta stop with this ES candle, bro. What is this bullcrap? But David, we need to buy the plan.
Oh,
Oh, so now it's not gonna take my order, yeah? Let me see your charts again. Okay. Oh, you entered there.
okay.
Yo, should I take short trades? Nah. Yeah, bro, I need to buy the plan. Let me see how much you're up. Let me see the market.
I'm up 7.
That's like, okay, look, you see where you entered? On the 1 minute fair value gap? That's exactly where I entered, right?
Uh-huh.
Except you were on NASDAQ and I was on ES. And what happened? ES took a big fall. Big fall. And then NASDAQ, bro. NASDAQ W, bro. Yo, you're so W for choosing NASDAQ. Bro, I'm actually pissed because that's literally, I literally said that it's gonna take on 1 minute fair value gap. Then it's gonna go up. Continue.
It did.
And it did, but like only on NASDAQ, not ES. And I'm pretty sure ES is, wait, is ES rotating? Crazy. Yes, it's about to take a 1 hour air valley gap. No, I might. No, just trade. Let me see your chart. W, you even mark break of structure? Alright guys, I need to go. But I'm talking to the chat. Well, I'll tell you guys what's up with this, what happens. Alright, peace out.